Okay, now we're on to the final step of learning the cube, which is to look PLL. Now, for the purposes of learning this quickly, I'm going to teach you the U-perm and the A-perm. So U-perm to permute 3 edges, and the A-perm to permute 3 corners. Now there's 2 of each of these algorithms, one to go one way and the other to go the other way. But I'm only going to be teaching one, and you can repeat it for the premises of making this kind of simple. Note there is like 27 PLLs, I think. So each, like this case for example, is a T-perm from this angle, which would solve the whole thing. But to do it with the beginner's method or to look PLL, we're going to use U-perms and A-perms. Okay. So what I would do typically is at this level I wouldn't care about examining it. I would just do an algorithm from this angle. So let's do a U-perm. So a U-perm goes like M2. So if you use your ring finger and your middle finger to do the M2, so M2 and then U and then M prime and then U2, M prime again, U, and then M2. Okay. Now that gives us a J-perm. So what we actually need to do now is to do a U-perm from this angle to solve the edges. And then now we have all of our edges permuted onto the corners. So for an A-perm, just remember that this algorithm will preserve the bottom left piece. Okay? And then, so what you do is you do R prime, F prime, R prime and tilt the cube forward, then do a D2, okay, then do R, U prime, R prime, another D2, and then R2, and that will cycle these back 3 corners. Okay, so basically a U-perm will move. The one I taught you was the counterclockwise motion, I think. Yeah, so green will go to the right, this blue will go over here, and this red will go to the center. Okay, so do, back, flip, over the top, back, and then finish up. And the A-perm is from this angle. It will just cycle these 3. So